Hello everybody, today we are going to be going over how to use the search bar on the homepage of the Golisano Library. So first things first, you're going to want to type something into the search bar right here. And as you see, when you click that, you have four different options. You can do one search, which is what we're going to be using today, searching only the library catalog, searching WorldCat, and then searching the library site. So today we're going to be using one search. And like I said, you just throw something in there. I'm choosing to use Theodore Roosevelt, and then we're going to press the search button. You wait for it to load. And then the first thing we're going to want to do is sign in. If we don't sign in, we're not going to be able to have access to all of the things that are behind a paywall that the university pays for. So we're going to sign in. Click our Roberts account. And now we'll have access to anything that pops up as soon as it loads. All right, and here we are. As you can see, you have all of your results here. You have your filter area, so you can refine your results with limiters. You can also, again, play with what do you want to search here, and then if you want to do an advanced search, that is an option here. You can also search new search, journals by title, and if you need help, there's a help chat. All right, and that's how you use the search bar.